Hello traders, this is a continuation of the discussion on trading observations using the Autopilot Pro Expert Advisor. In video part 1 I got consecutive win up to more than 40 transactions. But the default stop-loss settings don't work. Here this preset setting is set at 600 points, but the actual loss is up to 20,000 points. To balance between take profit and stop loss, I changed the take profit setting to 20,000. So if the trade is closed with a stop loss, it will lose 20 USD. And if the trade is closed with a profit, it will be a profit of 20 USD too. For now, with this setting is still profitable. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and get many benefits from the videos that I uploaded. And for the viewers who have subscribed, I thank you. Okay, let's continue the discussion of Forex trading using Autopilot EA. I will switch to MQL5.com account. Previously, I connected my trading account from MetaTrader 4 to my MQL5 account. On this channel, I also provide a tutorial on how to connect a trading account to MQL5. Trading starts with a capital of $1,000 and the profit generated is 33.84 USD or around 3%. A drawdown of 2.6% if nominal to USD is 26.99 USD. Trading history information. From a capital of $1,000 with default settings, the profit generated is 0.20 USD, with an open lot of 0.01. Oh yes, this expert advisor does not use the martingale system. You can see from this history that the transactions that are opened are always 0.01 lots. With this default setting, the loss that occurs is quite large, namely 20 USD, while the profit is only 0.20 USD. The changes I made with the take profit beads became 20 USD. For more details, you can pay attention to this statistical information. If you want to try this EA, you can check atrade-e.com. To run this expert advisor, I recommend using a broker with low spreads and a VPS with low latency specifications. If you are interested, you can try it for free from the link in the video description. In using expert advisors, always make sure to understand the strategies and features used to maximize profits and avoid losses. And don't forget to continue to monitor and optimize the use of expert advisors to get better results in Forex trading.